I am Phyllis. I am 80 years old. I'm a retired English teacher. I spent a lot of time on my feet in my job, and I was diagnosed with neuropathy years ago. The symptoms were burning feet, prickly feet, needles, and it got worse and worse and worse. I live in a home for retired people, a very nice home, and he came to give a lecture, and it was about neuropathy, and I thought, I've got to go and listen. And he described the symptoms, and I wanted to jump up and say, yes, that's who I am, right there. And I did not sign up that first afternoon, but I thought about it very carefully. And he stated that he would still be here the next day. And I thought hard on it. I called my daughter and we talked about it. And she called me the next morning and she said, I went online and checked it out and I think you should do this. So that took away my reluctance, and I called Dr. Scott and I signed up and I started the treatment. With the neuropathy, I became no longer active. I took every opportunity to sit down that I could. My balance was poor, and I knew it was poor, and I started walking with a cane to prevent falls. I have had several falls. I feel much better. I'm not reluctant to walk. Now I'm starting to walk the halls on purpose. In addition to walking more, I'm exercising. In fact, I'm taking an exercise class now. I went this Tuesday for the first time back to that exercise class, and I'm going to do the new step. I'm just starting that again, and it's really nice to be able to do that, to be able to do both of those things. My feet feel better. That's the story, pure and simple. I have thought that this is one of the best things I've done to help myself. I do not want to go backwards. I would suggest to anybody who is considering the treatment to go for it. It really has helped me a lot.